How do you get more views on your story on Instagram? Guys, and welcome back in this new video. Today we cover how to get more view on your Instagram stories. The first thing that I want to share with you is engaging with people. What means engaging with people? If you send a message to someone or you interact or you write a DM, they are more likely to go on your profile, and if they can see that there is a story, they want to watch the story because they are curious. And so if you write to 10 new people every day, you potentially have 10 people every day that watch your story. The second tips, we go on my phone here. It's a little trick that allows you to add hashtags in your story. As you can see here, we have literally 10 hashtags you can add to your story, and then when you go on the hashtag page, like a normal hashtag where you can find the most popular and recent photo of this hashtag, on the top you will see a little round that shows you the story for the hashtags, and this is the most powerful. Another feature is to tag 5 people, because as you can add 10 hashtag in the story, you can tag 5 account, and you can tag 5 famous account to maybe show them the story and rank better through your followers story list. Another very powerful feature is to add the location of your story, because if you had maybe your place, like you live in Los Angeles and you had Los Angeles, all people in Los Angeles will see at the top on the explore page the story of the city, and everybody who posts with the sticker Los Angeles will appear in this list, and there are a lot of people that view this list. Another simple strategy is to write on your bio of Instagram, watch my story, or if you're interested in certain niche, watch my story, because people who land on your profile maybe don't go directly to the story but scroll your profile, and then if you go if you write watch my story on the bio, you can send more people to your story and get more view. This was a simple trick and feature to get more view on Instagram, but the most important thing is to have engaged followers, because if you have thousands and thousands of followers that don't like your post, don't watch your story, it's only the number and doesn't matter. Because if you have a little amount of follower but high engagement, this follower will watch every single post, every single story, and you can get more view with a profile with 1,000 people than one of 3,000 and very low engagement. But now you're thinking, if I take a picture or selfie or something, and in my picture I will add 10 hashtag, the location badge, tag 5 people, what looks like my post? And now is the good news. You can write all these things and add all the badges, and then you make little, very little, and you put in the corner of your picture, so you can't really see the badge or the hashtag, and they works. For example, now it's the image with the 10 hashtags, but very little, and you can see any hashtag in here, because I write the text in black, and then I put on a on the black space key, and you can see the tags. I hope you enjoyed this video and you start from today to get more view on your story and get more people to come to your profile. If you like this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel and comment if you know other trick or the future to increase your amount of view on Instagram story. Thank you, bye.